Hey again everyone, this is Travis Wendt, owner and president of Metallic Products in Houston, Texas. And today we want to do a video specifically about an install, more specifically how to install an inskirt onto the end of your continuous ridge vent. Each one of your vents is going to come with two of these. So that means that your vent is set up to either be a single unit or a continuous run. If it's a continuous run, you obviously have an extra one of these. Toss it, do whatever you need to. But if it's a standard standalone unit, you're going to need both, one on either end. And I'm going to show you how this should go so that you can prevent a lot of problems. And by the end, I'm going to show you where we get calls. Almost 99% of the calls we get of leaky ridge vents is caused by one mistake right here. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So the first thing to know is what pitch is your ridge vent. Almost all of our ridge vents are sent out as a 1-on-12. These little dimples that you see on the end cap can be cut to match whatever pitch your roof has. This would be 2-on-12, 3-on-12, 4-on-12, 5-on-12, all the way up to 6-on-12. And so depending on that degree, this bend in the middle can be bent to a more steep or to a more shallow pitch to accommodate your roof pitch. So that's the first thing. Now, before we go any further, this is very important. This should be installed before you start screwing the vent down to the roof. The inskirt's going to sit right here. This little split in this channel should be lined up directly with these dimples that you see on the end cap. That's going to give you adequate coverage on either side of the skirt. We would recommend 2 to 4 screws from this channel into the end cap to secure it into place. Once it's installed, you don't need to caulk this. This is just meant to drain water away from your ridge. And where we see most of the problems is right here. Once installers have this in place, they think they need to caulk this up because it's going to leak. And that is actually going to cause more problems than not. This area right here is meant to drain. So do not caulk in this area. That will cause this water to dam up. And if you want to see water run uphill, put caulk here and you will actually see water find the path of least resistance, which would be back into the building, because you've closed off its natural path of going down the roof panel. Once this is in place, if it's a single unit, you're done. If you have a second unit that's going to butt up to this one, it'll line up on the other side of this channel right here. So everything we've covered today is for a flat skirt ridge vent. As you can see, the skirt on this is completely flat. And the reason we did that is because this is a universal ridge vent. It'll work on just about every roof panel type. The only difference is we do sell quite a bit of our R-panel skirts, which is going to have the ribs pre-broke into it. The inskirt for that configuration looks slightly different. Now there's a video of a complete install on our YouTube page. And if you want to see that up close of an R-panel application, please go to our YouTube channel or mpvent.com.